Hey everyone, welcome to this week's episode of Trippin' with SilverDaddy. Yes, I'm usually at a location or a place of interest to myself and hopefully to you. But this week I've decided, because of all the rain, that I'm going to give you a bit of my personal opinions and maybe to help educate some people, even though not everyone needs to be educated. You may not know this, but I have a degree in finance and economics. And I want to talk to you about a topic that has been talked about for the past month or more in the news, and I'm afraid not everyone knows all the facts. As I have stated, this is my opinion, and I want to talk to you about it. And what is that about? Tariffs. The effectiveness of tariffs is a topic of debate among leading economics and economists, including those from some of the most prestige institutions like Harvard, Yale, Stanford, and the University of Chicago, and Wharton's. I consider these schools to be among some of the best when it comes to economics. While some economists argue that tariffs can protect domestic industries and jobs in the short term, others highlight their potential to disturb global trade, increase consumer prices, and provoke retaliatory measures. For example, economists from the University of Chicago, known for their free market perspectives, often critique tariffs as economically inefficient and harmful to the long-term growth. Scholars from Yale and Stanford have explored the nuanced views, suggesting that while tariffs might benefit specific sectors temporarily, they can lead to a broader economic inefficiencies. Now, Wharton's School of Business economists have analyzed the impact of tariffs on a global supply chain, often emphasizing the unintended consequences for businesses and consumers. The consensus among many leading economists is that tariffs are generally not the most effective tool for achieving economic goals, though there are exceptions depending on the content and the objectivities. So, tariffs can have a range of economical, political, and social consequences depending on how they are implemented and the content. Here are some potential effects. 1. Higher consumer prices. Tariffs increase the cost of imported goods, which can lead to higher prices for consumers. Businesses may pass these costs on to consumers, affecting affordability. 2. The economic retaliation. Other countries may impose retaliatory tariffs, leading to trade wars that can disrupt global trade and harm industries reliant on exports. 3. The impact on domestic industries. While tariffs can protect certain domestic industries by reducing foreign competition, they can also hurt industries that rely on imported materials, increasing production cost. Number 4 reasons. It reduces economic efficiency. Tariffs can distort many dynamic, leading to inefficiencies and potentially reducing overall economic growth. And 5, job markets effect. While some jobs may be saved or created in protecting industries, others may be lost in sectors affected by higher cost or reduced imports. 6, political tensions. Tariffs can strain international relationships, especially if they are perceived as unfair or overly aggressive. 7, inflationary pressures. By increasing the cost of goods, tariffs can contribute to inflation affecting the broader economy. And the 8th reason, it's the supply chain, everyone. It disrupts the supply chain. Tariffs can disrupt global supply chains, forcing businesses to find alternative suppliers, which may be less efficient or more expensive. All these consequences that I highlighted, the complexity of using tariffs as a policy tool. While they can achieve specific goals, such as protecting a domestic industry or addressing trade imbalances, they often come with significant trade-offs. So, that's this daddy's thought on this. Tariffs in general are not a good thing. It's going to cause higher prices. Hey everyone, I wish you a better week than I'm having with all this rain. And remember, as always, to subscribe and like and share. And next week I will be at a better place. You won't have to listen to me getting on my soapbox and talking about stuff. So I just want you to have a great day. And remember, as always, love, peace, and respect. Because you've been watching or listening to The Rain and Tripping with SilverDaddy. Bye!